Hey guys, and welcome to Zonos Crypto. In this video we'll take a look at the latest news about the crypto market in general, Bitcoin, CME Group, crypto lender Celsius, and also many more of today. Okay, then let's get right into the market watch. Bitcoin is coming in at 21,473, Ethereum under 1700, BNB at 282, XRP at 33 cents, Cardano at 46 cents. Damn. Solana at 36 bucks, Polkadot under $7.50, Avalanche at 22.50, and Polygon at 78 cents. Damn. Okay, the largest gainers in the last 24 hours are Gnosis with 3.29%, and that's that. The largest losers are Filecoin with 18.36%, StepN with 18%, Flow with 18%, and ApeCoin with 17.2%. Overall, we're down 8.19% over the last 24 hours. We have a sick dump right now. The question is, will we hold up? Will it keep on dumping? This is the question. If so, no financial advice though. Keep on DCAing. Great strategy, especially for such times. Buy something and you're better off in the future. Only good projects though. Okay, then let's get right into the first news of today. The crypto market Bloodbath leads to over 500 million in liquidations in 24 hours. Data from crypto analytic firm Glassnode shows future long liquidation of BTC touched a new 8-month high as BTC price crashed below 22,000 on Friday. A lot of people went long and had a good feeling about it. Well, this didn't end quite well. The crypto market registered a major slump on Friday, resulting in major cryptocurrencies losing key support and falling to new monthly lows after a prolonged bullish surge over the past month. BTC, which was looking to break through 25,000 resistance last week, fell below 22,000 to register a new 2-week low of 21,747. ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency, has surged past 2,000 in the run into the merge, but slumped by 6% over the past 24 hours to register a new weekly low of 1726. It went even more below it. We are at 1690. Yep, this too the market update. Bitcoin is very bearish, below 22.5k, says trader as BTC price dives 6%. Sudden bearish sentiment takes hold as BTC price action returns to an area not seen since late July. Il Capo of Crypto put out 2 options, and now the second one played out, which is second option played out. Any test of 23,500 as resistance is a good sell opportunity. Consolidation below 22,500 clean break plus use level as resistance would be very bearish, equals 21k or lower. New lows are just a matter of time. So we are not out of the woods yet. As always, keep on holding. The CME Group to offer Ethereum futures. Institutions will soon be able to access Ethereum futures through CME Group. The key takeaways are: CME Group will be offering Ethereum futures contracts starting September 12th. The exchange is already offering Bitcoin futures, micro-sized Bitcoin futures, and micro-sized Ethereum futures. Micro-sized Ethereum futures have seen a growth of 34% in open interest between the first and second quarters of 2022. This to CME Group. Before we get into the next news, please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to not miss anything in the future. Okay, next news. Crypto lender Celsius' collapse into bankruptcy should be probed, says the US. Some of the highest profile and controversial bankruptcies in history, including Enron and Lehman Brothers, have included the appointment of an independent examiner. So Celsius is right now at the level of Lehman Brothers. Fucking hell. The US government officials asked that an independent examiner is appointed to look into crypto lender Celsius' network's collapse into bankruptcy, seeking the sort of investigation previously deployed in the high-profile restructurings of Enron and Lehman Brothers. An independent probe, which the judge overseeing the case would have to approve, would answer questions about the company's financials and address significant transparency issues in the bankruptcy case, according to the filing. An independent examiner is necessary here to investigate and report in a clear and understandable way on the debtor's business model. their operations, their investments, their lending transactions, and the nature of the customer accounts to ensure public confidence in the integrity of the bankruptcy system, and to neutralize the inherent distrust creditors and parties in interest have in the debtors. To sum it up shortly, they need another person to verify everything which they have accused them. That's why they put in another person. Yep, next one. The wife of the arrested Tenero Cash dev is forbidden to speak to him. Rally is organized. Speaking with Cointelegraph, Xenia Malik said that Dutch authorities are treating her husband as if he were a dangerous criminal, and that the creation of open source software should never be criminalized. This is the exact same thing as if you think about it. Why is not the person who invented atomic bombs, or the people who work in this field, why aren't they arrested or treated as criminals? Exact same thing, different kind of concept. The Dutch Fiscal Information and Investigation Service, FIOD, arrested Pertsev on August 12th over an alleged use of the Ethereum-based privacy tool to launder money and conceal criminals' financial flows. He is kept in prison as if he were a dangerous criminal, said Malik, as she expressed her concern that Pertsev was arrested without warning over what she sees as a harmless activity. It is very unexpected for me that a person can be arrested for writing open source code. Well, it is open source, everybody can use it. Yeah, what do you think about Tenero Cash and also how they handle this situation? What is your opinion on it? The crypto lender Hotelnote faces Singapore police actions and staggering job cuts. The latest firm to freeze crypto withdrawals is engaged in proceedings with Singaporean police. Hotelnote said in a blog that it fired 40 people, 80% of the headcount, and slashed interest rates to 0% APR in an attempt to stabilize our liquidity and cut costs. Its founders are working hard on a recovery plan and remain in Singapore. Hotelnote is one of the many crypto firms to stumble under catering market conditions and imploding companies alongside Three Arrows Capital, Voyager Digital, and Celsius Network. The bear market fucked them up pretty bad. Yep. Now to something interesting about Solana. Solana moved to earn app StepN launches NFT collab with Atletico de Madrid. StepN's newest partnership with La Liga soccer club Atletico de Madrid brings 1001 exclusive NFT soccer boots to the Move to Earn app. Since its release at the beginning of the year, StepN has encouraged crypto fans and non-crypto natives alike to lace up their running shoes and hit the asphalt to earn rewards from movement in the form of green Satoshi tokens, GST. The 1001 soccer boots are categorized in 850 common boots, which are themed around the club's national and international titles. The 140 uncommon boots are inspired by the club's stadiums, and the 11 rare boots are a reference to the starting squad. Interesting partnership, to be honest, and it's also quite nice to see people go jogging or move more than before. Now to the last news of today, and it's something interesting about FTX. FTX CEO, US Crypto Derivatives, is what I'm paying the most attention to right now. Bringing crypto derivatives to US traders has been the single biggest task of our customers as long as I can remember, said Sam Bankman-Fried. In the same year in which he has spent hundreds of millions bailing out struggling crypto lenders and had his face plastered on billboards, FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried still says LedgerX, now renamed FTX US Derivatives, still commands the majority of his attention. LedgerX. With it, the company gained a platform that could make Bitcoin and Ethereum derivatives available to its US customers. He thinks it's incredibly important for the future of the ecosystem and for our company that we can bring the same level of liquidity and market access to the United States that people have had internationally. Let's talk about it, or let's think about it like this. Sam Bankman-Fried is giving derivatives to the US clientele, which also means that a lot more liquidity and money is pouring into the derivatives, and which also puts in a grain of equality from the US and the whole world if they are also able to trade derivatives. He does really amazing things, to be honest. Damn. as well as bailing out a lot of crypto companies. He's not just a tiny bit smart, he is almost a genius. Damn. He's a great person. Yep, he's cool. Okay, these were the news of today. If you think the video was interesting or useful to you, then please leave a like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. We will see us tomorrow in the next video. That's why have a wonderful morning, day, night, at whatever time you're watching this video. Then, peace.